can turn on your screen distance into your iPhone or the iPad. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can turn on it easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your phone settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and here you have to find out the option of the screen time. Now as you can see that here in the second para there is the option of the screen time. You have to click on it and from here you have to go in the screen distance. Now from here you just have to turn off this option. Now from here you can reduce your eye strain and the risk of myopia in the children's screen distance will alert you to hold an iPhone or the iPad with Face ID. So you just have to turn on this. So this is how you can turn on your screen distance into your iPhone or your iPad. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.